Now, following North Korea's latest provocation, financial officials in South Korea came together on Monday to evaluate the potential risks the missile launch could pose to the local economy. Local markets appeared unmoved by the North's actions, opening virtually unchanged from last Friday's close. Kim Min-ji has more.
The South Korean government is vowed to take swift action if any unusual movements are detected in the financial market. The Finance Ministry convened a meeting on Monday with related agencies, some 24 hours after North Korea's ballistic missile launch, which the regime claims successful. The government says it'll keep a close eye on any risk factors which may pose a threat to the financial market or the real economy. It will also step up communication with foreign investors and creditors so as not to hurt the country's credibility and investor sentiment. South Korean shares opened flat on Monday. The benchmark Kospi opened virtually unchanged, while the tech-heavy Kosdaq opened just about 0.2% higher. The general consensus is that the latest North Korean provocation will have a limited lasting impact on the financial market as well as the overall economy. After the North's fifth nuclear test last September, the Kospi shed 1.25%, and movements were at much lower levels following the third and fourth tests. However, the South Korean government is not ruling out the possibility of increased uncertainties overall, given that it's the first North Korean provocation since Donald Trump was sworn in as U.S. president some 3 weeks ago. Some analysts say while the missile launch may have a limited short-term impact, it could cause consequences in the long run, depending on what counteractions the international community takes. The South Korean government says it's operating an interagency team to monitor local and overseas markets and the real economy around the clock. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.